New law allows complete expungement of 2 felony deferred sentences. I'm Tulsa Attorney James Wirth, and we're talking about some new laws that have recently gone into effect. This one is HB 3024. It's already in effect in the state of Oklahoma, and it changes the expungement statute regarding eligibility if you've got a deferred on a felony. And that statute for expungement in Oklahoma, it's Title 22, Section 18. It's got various subsections that determine what qualifies for an expungement. And the existing one that's relevant here was subsection 9, which says that the person was charged with a nonviolent felony offense. The charges were dismissed following successful completion of a deferred sentence, and the person has never been convicted of a felony, no charges pending, and 5 years have passed. So if you got a deferred sentence on a felony charge under this statute, as long as you successfully complete the terms of that probation, at the end of that, because it's deferred, the court case is expunged, but it's still going to be on your arrest record. But according to that section, after 5 years go by, you can petition the court to get an expungement of the arrest record. And once that happens under Title 22, Section 19, it says the event under Oklahoma law never occurred. However, that statute listed as being a nonviolent felony offense. So there could be an argument that you cannot have more than one in order to qualify under that statute. I can tell you historically with my office, we have been successful in getting multiple ones done under that because we get one done under that, and then we do the other one under that, and the other one under that. Doesn't prohibit multiples. However, some other judges, some other courts, some other attorneys may have had it interpreted differently. So a new change in the law makes it really clear that if you have up to 2 felony deferred sentences that are successfully completed, then you can get that complete Section 18 expungements. But if it's 2, you have to wait 10 years instead of 5 years after the successful completion of the deferred. The other implication of this is that it would presume that if you have more than 2 felony deferred sentences that are successfully completed, that you cannot get a complete expungement on those. However, that is open to interpretation because just based on a plain reading, I would say it still could be argued that Section 9 applies, but this new section of 14 would imply that maybe it doesn't. So that's still got to be decided, but regardless, what is clear is that if you've got 2 felony deferred sentences successfully completed, you can get a complete expungement, but you've got to wait 10 years in order to do that upon successful completion of the deferred. If you've got questions regarding expungement in the state of Oklahoma, getting your records cleaned up, that is something we do with a lot, but don't just take information from this video. Schedule an appointment with somebody in my office where you can get legal advice specific to your circumstances. To get that scheduled with somebody at my office, go online to makelaweasy.com.